I haven't even started a vlog, but I'm starting a weekend vlog, a weekend in my life. We're going to Hennessy's house to celebrate her birthday. Her birthday is today. So yeah, welcome back to another weekend in my life vlog. I will do a much better intro maybe tomorrow, or tomorrow probably afternoon. But today's Thursday, so we're gonna do a whole weekend in my life. Maybe until Saturday, and then Sunday I might do like a day in my life, you know, get ready and all that stuff for you guys. But here's my outfit. My little bufanda thing is from Tilly's. Top is Tilly's. Pants are from the Color Challenge from Paxson. And then I got my sandals that are from Shein, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, we're heading over there now. So I'm just gonna vlog a little bit of today because it's literally like 7 p.m. ¿Dónde está la birthday girl? Happy birthday! Te voy a matar.
Era Fredo.
¿Lo qué?
La PR Fam, PR de Puerto Rico. Fam, de familia. La segunda es Fantastic 8. La PR Fam, como que todos nosotros.
No la de PR.
La segunda es Fantastic 8 porque somos 8, o sea, incluyendo la...
Bueno, 8 personas.
Sí, somos 8, los adultos.
7 y medio.
Metiéndola al tema.
Y el tercero es The Weekenders, que ese es porque siempre nos vemos los weekends. Bueno, había más. Los boricuas, están los inseparables.
Los minigames.
Los boricuas ya lo pusiste, los parranderos.
No, porque es para Navidad.
Puerto Rican Gang. Puerto Rican Gang.
Lazos de sangre.
Lazos de sangre.
Fam, Fantastic 8, The Weekenders, The Adventures.
Avengers.
Avengers.
Oh, the Avengers.
Aventureros.
Aventureros.
Y hacemos un
Yo
sorteo.
creo que. ¿Puedo poner dos o tiene que ser uno?
No sé.
Weekenders.
Los Johnson compró.
Bueno, ok, tengo aquí Fantastic A y DPR Fan. Tienen
Fantastic y PR familia.
sí.
Sí.
Ok.
Tengo The Weekender y el Círculo. Ay, eso fue feo.
Eso no tiene,
tú?
eso no tiene voto porque no hay.
¿Qué fue eso?
El círculo.
¿Qué es eso?
El Círculo.
Bien loco.
¿Quién escribe así? Culo como.
Anyway, The Weekender. The Weekenders.
Está claro. Chichambrero.
The Weekenders o los aventureros.
Esperamos de vacaciones los weekends.
No, claro, pero no voy a
Hasta los weekends.
Los chichambreros. Fantastic A.
No, por eso.
The Weekenders.
Ese ganó.
Ganó The Weekenders.
Yeah.
Realmente bautizado como los weekenders.
Pero si estamos libres.
Los weekends que estemos libres del trabajo, que nos podamos reunir todos y inventar algo
Exacto.
para aventurar por ahí.
Que la mayoría de las veces siempre es así.
Sí.
Son los
Yo
weekends.
compré un micrófono para la cámara, eso que usan en las películas, así que todo monta así.
También aprendimos en estas vacaciones que tenemos que darnos un first aid kit porque a veces gente se lo pone enfermo.
Ay, sí, por favor.
Sí.
Hasta la platicación.
Como alguien por ahí.
No, cabrón.
So hay que planificar también cuál es el próximo challenge que vamos a hacer para el crucero. Deberíamos de hacer un challenge para el crucero.
Pero mire.
Tenemos que hacer un challenge para allá, ¿verdad? Pero ¿cuál es el
Tienes
challenge?
que buscar los most weird snacks or something.
Ajá.
So we can-
Y lo pedimos y lo podemos llevar para allá.
¿Qué cosa?
En la maleta.
¿Qué cosa?
Si llevamos snacks y hacemos un video, ¿no? ¿Verdad?
No, cosas de afuera nunca.
Y como las botellas de agua y qué sé yo creo que te permiten, creo,
Sí.
una caja de agua, pero tienes que dejarlo saber con tiempo también.
Dentro del hotel, dentro del casino, hay challenges, porque hay veces que hacen obras de teatro, tú tienes que pararte, hacer cualquier cosa con ellos
pues
y
podemos
participas.
hacer
O grabar cuando, yo no sé si tú has visto la boda, cuando dice, this is my first drink.
Sí, tenemos que hacer.
Al final del día.
Y tienes que tratar de decir lo mismo, pero después al último drink. Sí. Sí, tenemos que.
A mí me da miedo coger borracho.
O también que hacen al principio que ponen la cámara en el baño y cada uno entra y piensan quién va a ser el más borracho. ¿Has visto ese también? Como que dicen, yo estoy vestida de fulano, o sea, mi nombre es Daya y yo pienso que Fredo va a ser el más borracho esta noche. Y al final pues tenemos que enseñar quién es el más
Se va
borracho.
borracho, diablo. Porque esas son la gente que van a compartir contigo el día el resto del barco. Pero vas a empezar a encontrar más a menudo.
Mucha gente friendly.
Sí.
Ya, hay que hacer muchas amistades, vamos. En los elevadores, en la piscina. Bueno, cantamos o no cantamos.
Dale, vamos a cantar un
Cantemos
mucho.
todos,
Sí.
cantemos.
Mira qué cara, pero me cago en que le vieron la cámara esa la cara mía.
Cabrón, me levanté a grosear tú. Cabrón. Papi, todo. Cuando miro así, la cucaracha, eso sí que me queda pariendo, cabrón. ¡Pum!
¿Sabes lo que hacen? mira lo que hace. Está así boca arriba. Le da como la toca como ver si está muerta y le acaban los 5 dedos al sol.
Una vez cogió un ratón y después que no tiene la trampa, se soltó y se fue.
Se soltó y se fue.
Cuando la pena
Antes que se escape.
It was at this moment that she knew. She fucked up.
Vamos a ver.
¿Sabes qué bonita es la
Bye everybody.
Está hacer eso.
Adiós.
Nos vemos.
Adiós, bebé. Oh.
Cabrón, me asustaste.
Hello, good morning. Happy Friday here. If it's Friday in your end, happy Friday. I just got to work, working right now as we speak. I'm tired like a mother. Canta suaviza, ¿verdad? No, actually, no. Happy Friday. It is the next day. We had such an amazing time yesterday celebrating Hennessy. We did pick a name, as you guys saw, and I'm so excited. Honestly, I did not vote for that name. I voted for Fantastic 8 and the PR fam. But now that I think about it, I'm like, I kind of would have loved to pick Fantastic 8 or the Weekenders. I like that one more than the PR fam. Basically, a little bit of the rundown of what happened last night, because I didn't explain it in the beginning of the video. I went on my Instagram a few days ago and I explained to you guys that some of you guys gave us the suggestion of creating a group name, and so like that, this group name, you guys will know what it is and you guys know who we're talking about. Like, for example, our cruise is coming up. Yes, we officially booked the cruise. We are going on the cruise and the Weekenders are going with us. You know, something like that. Like that name describes us, like who we are. We always see each other on the weekends, which the meaning is really, really cool. And it's random because I have a group chat with the girls and of the Weekenders. We were talking way before I suggested group names on Instagram, like what name ideas, and like Monica being one of them, she thought about that name and what are the odds that one of my followers was like, oh my god, the Weekenders. And then I kept seeing it more and more in the question box, so I was like, that's crazy, you know? That is our name, the Weekenders. I am so excited for what's to come as a group. We've done lots of things, but I have been really shy. You guys know, as of lately, the past few months / year, the more the more the years come by of me living here and being closer to them, the more confident I am with vlogging wise, because I am that insane without my vlog, like camera. I literally trust them, but I always was super shy about like who wanted to be my camera, who didn't want to, you know. I didn't want to upset anyone or be like, hey, do you want to be my vlog camera, or for them to approach to me and be like, I don't want to be in your vlogging camera. But they all love it, so I'm like, hell yeah. So yeah, I'm excited. We are going to the cruise in September. I'm not gonna say the date yet specifically, but it is in September, so it is in about a month. I don't even think it's a month and a half. It's like a month and like a few days. I told you guys that I wanted to take a break and going to Puerto Rico, which makes me really sad because you guys know how closer I've been with my family. So the fact that I'm not gonna be going there at all the rest of this year and maybe like next year, it just shows a lot like how much I want to travel other places and travel, like go to new places. Again, I'm excited for what's to come, so just stay tuned. Lots of fun vlogs, lots of fun and adventures going on. So this whole weekend, I don't know what's gonna happen. If it's not raining, I might take my sister down to Bradenton and we might go to the outlets, or we might go to a beach down there. I've never been to a beach in Bradenton. I don't even know if they're nice. I gotta search for like reviews and stuff. I would like to take her to a beach where we've both never been. So why that far? I mainly just want to take her up the bridge, like the tall bridge, because of the fact that I don't think she's ever been to the tall bridge. That's what we're doing this Saturday. Today, Friday, I come out at 3 from work, so I think what we're gonna do is we're probably gonna go to Miller's to eat. I don't think I've ever eaten on a Miller's here. We ate on a Miller's in Orlando. I showed a little bit of a clip on the 4th of July vlog and it was really good. So I would like to take my sister there. If not, we might go down to the Tyrone Mall. Why are we going so much to the malls? Because she's in lookout for like outfit ideas for her Bad Bunny concert that she's going next week. She's so excited. I'm excited too because I was like, you better FaceTime me, because if you don't FaceTime me in the concert, I'm gonna arte. Yeah, that's what's going on. So that's what we might do today, Friday. Sunday, I still don't know. I gotta do laundry, so she's gonna help me with that, and she also has to do laundry. I don't know what else we're gonna do, especially Sunday. I feel like we should maybe do a video, like a fun video. We are also thinking about what challenges to do for this next cruise. I think that this vlog, you guys will definitely see it before the cruise. So if you guys want to leave us suggestions of what group challenges we can do that doesn't include us buying snacks and bringing it on the cruise, because we can't do it apparently, like bring snacks. We can buy snacks inside of the cruise, but we can't eat snacks or buy snacks outside and bring it inside the cruise. They don't allow that. Anyways, I gotta go to work because it's already 7:50. So have a great day, guys. I'll keep you guys posted and updated. Who you are. Beautiful.
A few moments later.
So I guess we're vlogging on my phone today because girl forgot her camera in the car, which my car is right there, but I guess I'm too lazy to grab it. TV channels, let's go. ABC channel, Disney channel, Disney XD, and Discovery Kids.
To certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously on two separate systems, the sounds are blended together.
I gotta at least name in 5 seconds 3 presidents. Okay. It can't be Obama, so let's go. Trump, Biden. Hey! We survived last night. It is the next day. We're getting gas. Gastando 30 pesos aquí por solamente medio tanque, but we're good. It's Saturday, it's the next day. We're gonna go to the Açaís. I'm gonna have my sister try some. So, oh my god, lo beeping. So we're gonna go to the Açaís, and then I'm gonna take this girl to try the frappe in Tampa. Hopefully they're open. I haven't been there in a minute. Probably I haven't been there at all this year, so it will be my first time, but I'm mistaken. The girl's got a full tank. Now we can go. Yeah, thanks to me. Thanks to you. Yeah, thanks for pumping up my gas. of juice. We're gonna buy some Açaís, and then I think we should go to the downtown, which actually, let me search it now. There's like a spot in the downtown St. Pete that's really cute. There's like a bahia and shit. And apparently you can still park there.
Sip and dry? What is that supposed to mean? Sip and dry.
The pier park is it. So yeah, we're gonna go there. Sip and dry, that's like a beauty salon. And apparently you can get drunk and do your hair.
What? I would do my hair right there.
We made it to the pier in St. Pete. I've never been here, so it's exciting to actually just sit somewhere and snack and eat our delicious Açaís. I actually brought my camera for once. This place is nice. It's like coastal, bien tropical. Kind of reminds me of Isla Verde, doesn't it? You got the tall buildings, the random, cute, fancy, what's it say? The grill bar. You got a water park. You got all kinds of stuff in here. It's cool.
Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, we're having fun. You know,
Fun.
make a lot of eye contact, you know?
This girl, she want a boyfriend.
No,
She's looking for a boyfriend. She found a nice spot for her phone.
It's called being submerged. Granola. It's actually almond, chia, se jodió. Are you stupid, Nana? Why would you do that?
Hi guys. It's still recording. Guys, I dropped her phone. Empiece. She's so picky, guys. You don't like it? Oh hell no. It's so good. What the heck?
It tastes like... Let me try your blue thing.
Go ahead.
I want to try it. It doesn't taste like an acai. It tastes like if it was... I was eating like baby fruit. Let me try your thing. I'm gonna try my sister's that it has like this blue one that supposedly it's like vanilla.
Damn, and now I feel bad.
You're gonna vlog the traffic?
Guys, it is so hot.
Turn the backseat of your Rover.
Que calor tengo. Que calor tengo.
Nice cars out here.
Yeah, nice cars, nice places. I think we should eat there at the pier, that place. Pero no en this juice así calor. He's gonna have to come make en calzoncillos y camisa. Literally, guys, it's so hot. Like it's 90 degrees, but it feels like it's 200. My hair is wet because of the sudor, okay? Not because of water. We had our Açaís. What's your thought? Tell us about your thought. Why you think it was eh. It was like eh, which is thick.
It was good. It's just that like I'm so used to like the Puerto Rico acai that I'm just, you know, and the place is like very organic, so that makes me think that they do everything very organic, which is a taste
no,
that I
like
got.
a lot of flavor. Yeah. It's like
Yeah.
literally like no sabía a nada. The Açaís over here, at least there in Soho Juice, it's like all they put is the acai mix. They don't add frutas, which that's what they do in Puerto Rico.
Yeah, like
How much you rate it out of 10?
like a 6.5 out of 10.
6.5. That's not bad actually.
It's not. Oh.
Yeah, because the fruits were good, the granola and everything,
Yeah,
the toppings.
I ordered
Chef's kisses.
a little bit of Nutella and peanut butter. They gave me more peanut butter of Nutella, and the Nutella was not the normal Nutella.
It's not. It's like the Nutella they use here, it's hazelnut.
Oh,
which they say tastes like Nutella. It's not.
It
the
tastes
same.
like peanut butter.
It tastes more like peanut butter. Yeah. I wish they actually used Nutella because that would probably like make it even better, but we're not the owner of the place, so
yeah, but the peanut butter, like, that was good. Like, it's just that the Açaí didn't have like much flavor.
right.
Like, overall, everything else was really good.
And then now we're gonna go to Tampa. You see, we had a nice healthy breakfast. Now we're gonna have frappe, mofongo, like a lot of junk food. I think you made a good choice with the organic Açaí. So we're gonna go. We had fun at the pier. I've never been here, so it was
took
nice.
many pictures.
Yeah, and then we left because there was this old guy that kept telling Gabby that she was gorgeous while I was taking her picture. We didn't leave because of that. We like kept walking, but I parked in a meter like parking spot, which I didn't know that there was more parking back there with no meters. So I just spent $2 for nothing. But it's fine. Now I know. Like next time I'll go like más para allá adentro. But
I
it's
like
very
this
nice.
spot, this is like, if you're from Puerto Rico, es como un condado. Like,
yes.
Condado,
like if you've been to Isla Verde, Puerto So por allí, like
it's very bougie. Es como un malecón, but like bougie.
Pero bougier, for sure.
Like the place, I'd rate it a 10 out of 10.
Let's go to Tampa.
Show me what we got in love. In love. Show me what we got in of the paper. Don't burn up in the morning, let it taper. Inhale and let it out like reservation.
So we made it to the spot. Llegamos al sabor criollo. Here in Tampa. Pero los frappes no están. But I'm excited because I'm hungry. Like I'm already hungry again. It's a bummer, but apparently the frappes are like temporarily closed. I don't know if it's permanent. So this is her plate. This looks so good. It has churrasco, tostones con un poquito de ajo, mayo ketchup, a little bit of salad, and the román posteado, which has habichuela, cilantro, ¿qué más tenía? Cebolla, amarillo, y carne frita. Here's my plate. I have mofongo with camarones al ajillo. And now we eat. Hey guys, we're home. I'm about to make some drinkies for me and my sister. Hello! Hi! We got some donku limon. I have the little shaker to make the drink. And I also got my pineapple juice. It's nice. This concoction can turn out good. What's good? What's going on? Pero está zumbando bien rápido esta. I add a little bit of salt only for like presentation, but you don't really have to add salt. Why are you sucking on the limon? You're supposed to put it inside.
I like it.
Look, learn it now. You're supposed to go like that and then throw it in there. Okay? Forget about it. This is the wind down moment. It's 3:30. We're gonna start cooking around 5. We're not hungry because of that humongous food we just devoured. Hey, get up! Ooh, let's do a sister tag. Like bien rapidita aquí en el vlog. Hi! Okay, so I went on Google and I searched for a sibling tag and Mimo. We searched for the same one. Okay, you ask one and then I ask one así. So we're gonna do a sibling / sister tag and we're gonna answer questions because it was too late for me to ask you guys on Instagram. And no offense, pero ustedes a veces se tardan un poquito, so now or never. First question, who's the youngest / oldest among all of you?
All of you.
like of us?
I'm the oldest and she's the youngest.
All along, we guys had you like, you guys.
Yeah, I'm 25 and she is 20.
So, surprise!
No, we're
I'm
kidding.
I'm 25 and she's almost 18.
Almost.
She just finished college. I mean.
Oh yeah.
What the fuck? Wait, let's bring our drinks.
Honey, I have my drink here.
Should we do them por orden? Because we're gonna get lost. You know, but almost like
what is your sister really good at? She is really good at makeup, and I was gonna say driving, but she's a horrible driver.
No, good at making drinks too.
Yeah, she's only
Getting
made me
better at
one
it.
drink, and yeah.
You're really good at dancing. You dance way better than me. Let's be real. You're really good at photography, like in general. She's really good at taking pictures, videos, clips, and stuff like that. She knows how to find like the aesthetic. What do you hate about each other? You gotta be real.
So I hate about you that she really, when she wants something, she gets really annoying until she tries and get it. Yeah.
That's my way of getting things, I guess. Hate is a very like strong word. I would say what I don't like about you. You're loud sometimes. And you cuss a lot. Oh my god, that one is more than, I don't care if you're loud. I just hate whenever she cusses, sometimes she like yells at it like out loud. I'm like, Gabby, like calm down.
Oh, I cuss when I'm pissed.
Like yesterday we went to the movies. You're like, oh shit, this que se yo motherfucker, que se yo, and I was like, and there was like old people on the back. So
who's hotter? I think you guys can't answer that. I mean, you know, look at me.
I'm gonna say we both are because we're sisters. Because we are sisters! What do you like about each other?
So I like about her that we're really close.
We've grown closer and closer. I agree. I like that.
Despite the distance.
I like that we always call each other. Like no matter what time. She just randomly calls me at 4 p.m. I'm at work and I'm like, what's up? Let's go. So you wanna talk?
One thing that you can do which your sister can't: flirt, get people, and hit on the end.
You're more social than me. I'm the shy one. She's way like, let's go. She's more the YOLO girl. She like only lives once. She thinks she only lives once. What I can do that you can, since I makeup, but I'm like, you're really good at makeup now.
Well, I'm getting good at it. You are good at it.
But no, it can't be that, because it has to be something you're not good at, like at
oh
all. Guys, we want to buy another board game and I totally forgot.
A weird habit of your sister. A weird habit of my sister. It's not a fun fact.
I clean my nose makeup with Q-tips, and this morning my sister saw me and she was like, what are you doing?
So what's you of me?
You of me? I mean, me of you?
I don't have weird habits. I'm completely natural.
What's your funniest memory together with each other? A lot of them.
Oh, probably when I fell.
Oh,
like,
yes.
I fell.
When she was here last year for Thanksgiving, she fell in my bed while we were playing Trouble. Y se fue like de espalda and we couldn't stop laughing. Yeah, like literally.
I literally like me caí in slow motion. Like, what's your favorite food? Your sister's favorite food. So hers is
Yeah.
Fuck eats that.
Like literally when I make that, because it's only for me, I eat it like 4 days in a row.
Ew.
I love it so much.
My favorite food, you should know this.
And it's healthy, so. Your favorite food? Oh shit. Oh, I know, Chick-fil-A.
She says that because I've been eating Chick-fil-A a lot.
And the last time she came here, she did not want to know anything about Chick-fil-A. Now she's like, give it all to me.
Whoever knows me knows that my favorite food is actually sushi. And if it's
I was gonna say sushi, pero como te dio lo de food poisoning en Puerto Rico,
no, I've eaten a couple times after. Yeah.
Oh wait, I think we should pause because it's gonna start raining. You guys, I guess such bad anxiety. Like yesterday we got home from seeing Top Gun, and
really good movie.
I wasn't even I'm driving. My husband was driving when we got home. Like I took my blood pressure and it was like 120 because I knew I was having anxiety. It's about to rain. It's gonna rain like at 5 and it's 4 o'clock. So I'm already getting lightning strikes. Like
so the reason why she's actually in a hurry is because she wants to go buy.
Yeah, I want to go buy the board game, come back, and then we'll continue to do that. But I just want to get that out of the way so we're gonna have a nice game night tonight. No one meet there. So we're gonna continue.
Wait,
okay?
I'm not gonna tell that story. None of your business, guys. I'm sorry.
Okay.
It just reminded me of something.
Yeah. Sorry guys, I can't tell you guys.
Too personal.
Alright y'all, we're back. What do we do for fun?
Sing in the car. We cook sometimes together.
Vlog, make videos together, TikToks.
How are you gonna celebrate your birthday this year? Okay, so my birthday is this year. It's coming right up in like 2 months. I don't know what I have in mind. That to get an Airbnb with my closest friends, and we'll celebrate it there.
That would be nice.
So.
You're not gonna invite me?
Yeah, if you come to Puerto Rico for sure, you know. What's your favorite color?
Right now I love anything pastel colors. Like pink, teal, purple, pastel colors are like my vibes right now.
Mine used to be pink for a very long time. Now I'd say it's like either purple or not blue.
Orange?
Not
Green?
I don't know, like I don't know. I just don't like very vibrant colors anymore.
What's your nickname family call? Mine's always been Daya.
Mine has always been Gabby. When it comes to family.
Yeah.
When it comes to friends, I'd say it's Gabs. A lot of people call me Gabs.
Oh, that's cute. Mine's still Daya.
Where do you see yourself here? Like here to like 3 years? Studying.
We're almost done with college.
Almost done with college. Studying for sure, and working. Like I want to study and work at the same time. Maybe here, like, you know, like maybe I come here to finish my college.
Your college, yeah. I'm gonna say with a house, fully manifesting it. Hopefully with a house or like a bigger apartment / place. Another car. Yeah, I've been wanting to get another car. Get out of my soul. You don't like that I want a car? A different job. Honestly, I love my job right now, but I do see myself going for something more than what I have. Hopefully I'll be full-time and like doing YouTube. I don't know, but for sure I would like to do YouTube full-time. I really see myself doing that. Who is the closest to your parents? I would say I am.
I've been with...
I think when you were smaller you used to be closer with dad, and I still think you are. Like you trust him more for stuff, which is understandable. There's always like either the mom or their dad, like the toughest one, and for sure in our end it's definitely our mom. She's the more strict one, and our dad is more like boss-evil. Oh, what's your favorite makeup brand?
ColourPop.
Okay, I was gonna be like, you probably don't know what that is. Oh, I love ColourPop too. Yo estoy entre ColourPop y Morphe. I really like Morphe. Is there any favorite movie you could both think of? I have one, and you better say it at the same time because this is a very lovable movie we've loved since little. Okay. 1, 2, 3, the Polar Express.
Yeah, but that's a Christmas movie. That doesn't count. Like that's
like
our favorite Christmas
you
like,
are
movie.
very...
Yeah, but like our favorite Christmas movie, it's Polar Express.
Right now I'm gonna say Top Gun.
Daniela said the chicken shit. Money or love, which one would you go for? Love.
Love. We're cheesy.
However, no, just no.
Were we ever depressed in a moment, like in our lives? I'm gonna say I was pretty depressed when I dealt with long distance with my husband. It was tough.
I'd say first and last relationship that ended. That was a very,
like when it ended, not while you were in it.
Well, exactly.
'Cause you were happy.
Yeah, like when it ended.
Are you currently dating anyone? That's more for her, because you guys know who I'm dating.
No.
He's single, ready to mingle.
I'm single, ready to mingle, and just not looking for anything right now.
Okay, that's our cue for us to finish this Q&A. I have one more question. How many kids do you want to have when you grow up? Well, we're already grown up, but how many kids do you want to have?
0.
You don't want kids?
No, maybe I do, but like
right now you don't.
Now 2. If they're twins, then 3.
I think I'll go with 2 también. Anyways, we're gonna get going, guys, because we're gonna make tacos. So I guess I can film that, a little bit of that, so before the weather gets worse, because a Puerto Rican mito is that you're not supposed to cook when the weather is like this, porque se te puede supuestamente dañar la estufa. That's like a saying that my mom used to say to us.
I'm nauseous.
Oh. Anyway. Guys, we'll update you guys a little later or tomorrow. Let's go. Good morning, good morning. Hey guys, good morning from me and my apparently new iced coffee. If this is gonna be my new obsession, then I'm very excited because I have a few more pods in there. So this is the pod Starbucks Blonde Espresso Roast. Like, it's literally so tiny. Moment of truth, I added that I added vanilla, French vanilla creamer. I added the salted caramel syrup. I added a little bit of caramel drizzle. Moment of truth, I'm nervous because I've tried this hot and I do not like it hot. It's not bad. I like it. Oh my god, no wonder everyone uses their espresso in iced instead of hot. It's like way different hot. It doesn't taste like this at all, and I would have for sure done it hot like that and it would have tasted awesome. So I guess this is gonna be my coffee of the day because I need some energy. I think we're gonna make some breakfast soon. I don't think we can do it now. So don't mind me, I'm gonna enjoy our coffee today. What we're gonna do today is we're currently doing laundry. We have to go switch the washer to dryer because we have 7 minutes and we're gonna make breakfast, but I think we're gonna do that first and then come back, make breakfast, and then take it out of the dryer and fold it and everything, put it away here. I have to put all my stuff away, like the clothes, and we'll get ready. I think we're gonna go to Bradenton. I'm gonna take her to the Skyway bridge, like the super tall bridge from here. That's what it's known for. It's very, very high bridge. And then we're gonna go through the coast of Bradenton, see if we find a spot where we can go to the beach. Apparently it's not gonna rain until like 7 p.m. so we gotta like make the most out of this. I thought she was excited about what I said. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Those are our plans. We're gonna be at the beach for a few hours. This is how she does dishes, guys. I can hear it. May this day be full of lots of fun adventures. I can't make promises that I'm gonna be vlogging a shit ton today, only because we did that sister tag and that's gonna be part of this vlog, so I don't want it to be like a lot. But if it's an hour long, then great, because my hour-long 4th of July vlog is doing so good and people want more. People are like, we don't mind your hour-long vlogs. I wouldn't mind as long as it has a lot of productiveness like that one did. I don't want like a whole hour-long just me chit-chatting vlog, you know. You guys will probably want that, but that's a lot of editing that I would have to do, of just me hearing myself talk. Let's have fun today, guys. Let's have a great day today. Nice, chill, non-hectic day. Update. It's been a few hours. Did laundry. I did not film anything because I just wanted to focus on getting shit done. Cleaned. I did the bed. I edited a little bit. I did a few things. We haven't had lunch and I'm kind of hangry, so I need food. I am going to calentar some food from yesterday and eat some of that, and then we're gonna go head out. Why do I feel like I hear thunder? That's not good. Oh shit, I know it's just gonna bring that but I mean, that's fine. So we're gonna go to Bradenton. Here's the little outfit. Top is from I don't know where. I think it's Shein. Jeans are American Eagle, and I'm just wearing my hat from Hollister, H&M. And I gotta figure out what sandals I'm gonna wear because I'm for sure wearing some chanclas. And these are literally the sandals I'll be wearing. Just nice and simple because we might go to the beach. So all right, off we go. We got a drinkies. We're gonna head out the door now. So apparently it's gonna rain at 3, then it stops at 4, so I think it's just gonna be like a llovizna because I'm still tracking the weather app. made it to the beach. We're at this random place. ¿Cómo se llama? It's called Gulfport Municipal Beach. Gulfport Beach. Gulfport. Fat one. Gabby's here for the hot guys. Apparently there's hot guys here. I'm just here to take a nice tan and read my book. We've been here for like an hour and it's getting very hot, so we're gonna go. I'm gonna take her on the Skyway Bridge, see if we can take some pictures, see how this shit goes. We gotta clean up, of course. It's the worst part, cleaning up. I was able to read. I read a few pages. I'm almost done. Hopefully the wind is not bothering like the audio here. Cooking mode. I just wanted to look for you guys to show you guys what we're currently cooking. I'm about to make some frappe, which I haven't made frappes in, it's been a hot minute since I've made frappes, so I guess I can vlog it a little bit. I also made some solitos for a little snack moment. We're making some arroz con consomme. So she's gonna make a chicken breast recipe she got on the books. And you know, while dinner's ready, we're just gonna have a little bit of a chill snack time that involves frappe.
Para toda esta mierda. Aquí pues se explotaron los tiros y soltaron los caballos. Yeah, I would have wished to catch that on camera. I just scared that shit with this.
She would have said 10 out of 10?
9.8.
Who have you given a 10 out of 10 to?